If you want to make your own signs for your model railroad, a silhouette machine can be extremely helpful. In this video, I will show you how to design, scale, and cut out location signs that can be installed on the fascia of your layout. These signs provide information such as location, elevation, milepost data, and even a state flag. I'm using a Cameo 3 Silhouette machine, but the signs can be made on any model Silhouette machine. Hi, model railroaders. I'm Sam D. Teague. My son Aaron and I designed and built Santa Fe's Raton Subdivision model railroad. One of our goals is to help you learn new methods and tools to use in model railroading that you may not have considered before. We also want to share how we design, built, and operate our layout by posting diverse types of videos on our channel so you can find the information you need to make your layout a success. As model railroaders, we often need signs on our layouts in the scale we are modeling, or in our layout room to explain or highlight displays or organize materials or supplies around our work area. Word processors work well with their ability to make and print small text in a variety of fonts, but once created, you don't have an accurate way to cut them out. The Silhouette machine can cut out intricate designs, much more complex than any sign we will ever need on our layout. But I didn't know how to use the machine, and I had never used the Silhouette design software. Fortunately, my wife has been using a Silhouette machine for years and makes amazing things with it. She gave me a quick course in software and got me to a point where I can produce and cut out a sign. If you don't have someone to teach you how to use a Silhouette machine, I recommend Silhouette Success. Brenda is a licensed teacher and has a vast library of videos on YouTube that will show you everything you need to know. I will put a link to Silhouette Success in the description of this video. Stay tuned to the end and you will learn how useful this highly accurate design, print, and cutting machine can be for model railroaders. Now that I have learned how to use the Silhouette machine, let's see what I can do with it to make location signs for my layout. I'm opening the Drawing Tools box and grabbing the Rectangle tool. Left-click and drag out a rectangle shape. My signs will be 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Now click on the Text tool and left-click on the paper space and start typing your first word. Select the size of the font. You can type in the size if you need to. I need to go grab my logo and place it next to location. I will type in the dimension I want the logo to be. When you get the first sign the way you want it, duplicate it and put it on the side for a template to make the rest of the signs you need. Notice that I have duplicated the logo, flags, and text arrangement so that I can duplicate them to make additional signs without disturbing the completed signs. Some hand adjusting must still be done to keep the text centered. It's helpful to use the left-right arrow keys to move the text with precision. Select all the text, right-click, and then select Group. Always group everything before you move it. Keep working until you get all the signs done that you can fit on one page. Double check your work and make sure everything is lined up equally on all sides. I now have everything lined up the way I want it. I will hit send to see if the cutting lines are selected correctly. A red line should appear everywhere you want a cut to be made. The job has been sent to my color printer, making final adjustments and sending it to Cameo 3. Far side location signs go at the top of the fascia, near side locations at the bottom. If this video was helpful and you learned something, please like and subscribe so you won't miss our future videos. And thanks for watching.